Hey guys, it's Miss Molesky here. I just want to welcome you to either 7th grade math or 8th grade math. That is what I will be teaching this year. If you haven't had me in the past, hi. It'll be quite the school year this year with COVID-19, but I think if we all work together, we could be successful and meet each and every one of our goals. So a little bit about me. This is my 12th year of teaching. I am starting my 7th year at Wilson Middle School. Prior to being at Wilson, I taught at Susquehanna Middle School in Perry County for about 5 years. My favorite color is green. My favorite TV show is Friday Night Lights. I have a pet dog. His name is Hercules. He is a collie Australian Shepherd mix. He kind of looks like Lassie, and he's 5 years old. Some things I like to do when I am not working is working out, hiking, walking my dog, and then just generally being outside. I have 2 sisters. Sandra's 35 and Pam's 47. I just had a birthday on August 28th, so happy birthday to me. When I was in middle school and high school and some of college, I played softball. I also coached softball when I worked at Susquehanna. My favorite sport to watch is football. My favorite football team is the Eagles. Sorry to any of you Pittsburgh fans. And then music I like to listen to is Daughtry and Halsey. I also forgot to put Taylor Swift up here. I do like her new album. Here are some pictures of stuff I have done over the summer. So I went to a couple beaches this summer. I went to Ocean City, New Jersey. I went to Surfside, South Carolina, and Rehoboth, Delaware. And then the other picture is a picture of me and Hercules on one of our morning walks. The waterfall picture is from Ricketts Glen State Park, which is in northern Pennsylvania. Went on their waterfall trail and saw so many pretty waterfalls. The picture of the little kids, those are my niece and my nephew, Landon and Aria, from when we were in South Carolina. And then the bottom picture is of me and my sister Sandra at one of our summer gatherings. So that's just a little insider of what I did this summer. I can't wait to start this adventure of a school year with you. Like I said, it's going to be different than any other school year, but as long as we work together and stick together, we should have no problem getting through this. So without further ado, happy 2020-21 school year.